Welcome back. Now we are on problem 6, statistics 4.1. We are given bunch of data, 5 things, 5 points, x coordinate, y coordinate. Find the linear correlation coefficient R. For this, it's difficult to remember all the formulae, so we use our formula sheet. Frequently used formulas. It's available at the end of your lecture notes. Okay, towards the end of your lecture notes you find the formula sheet. So I'm looking for R, that's here, chapter 4. So the formula for R consists of n summation xy summation x summation y n summation x squared, square of summation x summation y squared, and square of summation y. So whole bunch of things we need. So the main ingredients being summation x, summation y, summation x squared, summation y squared, and summation xy. So let's get that ready. Summation x, what does that mean? Add all the x's together. Okay, so we will use our calculator to find these values. Okay, so first add all the x values. So what does it say? (17 plus 17 plus 12 plus 4 plus 11). These are all the x values we need to add. This is summation x. I get 61. Summation x is 61. All right. The next one is summation x squared. That is square each x and then add them up. So I will square each x and add them up. That gets me 859. All right. Next. Might be easier this way. All right. Summation y. So I'm going to add all the y's together. 23 plus 24 plus 15 plus 29 plus 19. So that gets me 110. Summation y is 110. Okay. Next step is to square each y and then add it all together. That gets me 2532, 2532. 2532. All right. The last one is to multiply x and y and add them all together. So let's go. 17 times 23. 17 times 23. Add 17 times 24. 17 times 24. Add 12 times 15. 12 times 15. Add 4 times 49. 4 times, 29. 29. Add 11 times 19. 11 times 19. I get 1304. So adding all the products, we get 1304. 0.04. Okay, so we have come some distance now. So I'll keep this handy, and we are almost set. Something I forgot. Number of points, n is 5. N is 5. So that's important information. Now we are almost done. We just need to use our formula here. Okay, so let me notice R is a fraction of something over something. So I will write something divided by something. Okay, so that took care of the numerator and denominator. Now let's go to the numerator. We are in a parenthesis, that's good. N times summation xy. 5 times summation xy. So it's 5 times summation xy, 1304, minus summation x times summation y, 61 times 110. All right, that took care of the numerator. Denominator has 2 square roots. Okay, the first square root. What goes inside? N times summation x squared. N times summation x squared. 5 times 859 minus summation x squared. Take the summation x and square it. 61 square. So that's the first square root. Now I have to get out of the square root. Make sure you're out of the square root, times second square root. Second square root is n times summation y squared. 5 times this quantity. 5 times 2532. 2532 minus summation y square, 110 square. All right, we did all this, and that's it. That is your R. So R is a negative. I have copied it. Now let's try and paste it. Submit. It's unexpected character. Okay, so that's because of from one website to another, I should have a negative. Okay, remember the answer, there is a negative. All right, so let's see. Finally, that's correct. Okay, this happens if we go from one website to another. It sometimes incorporates an extra character, the way things are set up. Okay, so do not give up hope. Check, make sure the character you have typed in. Also, by the way, you can hand type all of this and you will be fine. Next problem. Okay, it's a multiple choice. Let's quickly go over it. So you have a scatter plot determined. Let's look at x. These are the x values, and wait a minute, these are the y values. So what does that mean? X, y, xy, xy, they are all aligned in proportion, actually equal. X is equal to y. So that's a line going up. So it is a perfect positive correlation. It's a line So all these points are on the same line, y equals x. All right. This completes section 4.1. We'll continue section 4.2 in our next videos. Until then, bye.